When you have 9 lives but 0 patience left for your roommates. He really sat through a whole structural engineering lecture just for the tower. You realize you accidentally adopted a bunch of spicy kittens and now you have to wait in line for your own dinner bowl. Trying to act casual in front of your crush, but you have absolutely no idea what to do with your hands.
It could sway a jury. It could make a jury think differently about you.
You try to use your Jedi powers to stop a ball but realize you forgot to pay the subscription fee for the Force. For a patio, not a burial. At this rate, you are going to find me again in the spring. You're trying to stay mad but you hear a snack bag crinkling in the kitchen.
Trudy's like, I'm sorry.
Trying to leave for a weekend trip but your dog has already filed a formal protest by becoming one with your luggage. I guess I am staying home or he is coming with me as a carry-on. There is no middle ground here.
Maybe I am. Am I the villain? I don't think I'm the villain.
You're 90 fluff but still want to be 100 terrifying. Just a little spicy kitten trying to convince everyone he's a professional hunter. Moment when you smell a shoe so mid that it triggers a full existential system reboot. Undergoing a scent-induced factory reset. You forget that your cat spent the last 20 minutes aggressively digging in the litter. The sign says wipe your paws and you take your responsibilities way too seriously. This dog is doing a full deep clean before even thinking about entering. This bird really just pulled up, parked the whip, and demanded a table for one. He is officially more productive on a Monday.
Un culpable, dos culpables. ¿Qué es esto? Mira, tú... Oh, se pasan, po. Mira, hicieron pedazo el cojín.
You're trying to act professional on a Zoom call, but your body enters reboot mode and installs a mandatory tongue update.
Это что ты устроила? Вообще-то я тут картошку чищу. Кеша.
You realize you left the oven on, but you are already halfway across the Atlantic. Trying to stay professional during a meeting, but that first sneeze of allergy season finally wins. Trying to have a main character moment, but the cat thinks you're just a very expensive oversized heating pad.
Hey.
Trying to look like a majestic lion in a shampoo commercial, but the wind speed has other plans for your face. The puppy realizes that the giant gray pillow has sharp consequences. You're trying to act casual, but your balance has other plans.
Pas, c'est ce que je pense. Isis, tu fais quoi, s'il te plaît? Qu'est-ce que tu fais, Isis? Non, 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 je veux pas y croire.
You knock it over, you clean it up. We are running a strict household and the supervisor is not. You're trying to enjoy a nice back scratch, but your human accidentally hits the factory reset button on your face.
Se levanta.
The main character energy is so strong that you literally glitch out of the frame.
Gato. Sopaipilla de gato.
¿Ya? ¿Y le voy a poner todos los ingredientes a esa sopaipilla?
The red dot finally finds a hiding spot and you realize your best friend has been the enemy this whole time. Witnessing the exact moment a long-term friendship turns into a targeted...
Kaiser, what are you doing?
The whipped cream canister makes that sound. Suddenly the cat and dog are best friends with a shared vision and a common goal. It is not just a treat, it is a boardroom meeting for the neighborhood union. Look at that focus. If they worked this hard on anything else, they would have the house paid off by now.
Oh no, it's all over Sassy's face. Oh, oh, God.
Yeah, there you go. There you go, and kiss.
I'll help her.
The battery in your dinner runs out and so does your will to live.
Are you stuck?
Your dinner starts backtalking and you're too tired to remind it how the food chain actually works.
Okay, are you all done? Okay.
The moment your little brother is getting bullied and you step into the doorway like the final boss.
Give me candy in your bucket.
What? Just when I had new guy energy. I know I did,
We're halfway there.
I've never seen a cat glitch in real time like this. I think I just accidentally hit the factory reset button. My cat was broken, but it turns out he just thinks he is a professional parkour athlete. Parkour Cat says just do it. You're ready to go for a walk, but your human is still stuck on the loading screen. Trying to leave for work, but the organic speed bump has a few questions about your driving record first. Standoff was intense until the cat remembered it had an appointment literally anywhere else. That tactical retreat was a masterclass in making a getaway look like a choice.
Let go, please. Let go.
You're trying to play tag, but the human is on a mission to finish the yard work before the weekend. You think you're the main character, but the cat is the director, the stunt coordinator. They tell you to pack only the essentials and you know exactly who the priority is. Packing light? Never. You're 90% certain you can catch it, but 100% sure the laws of physics and glass are against you. You decide to square up with the cat and realize midway through that you chose the wrong career path. That second-guessing face is pure cinematic gold. You're a hummingbird, but your rent is still $1,500 a month, so you have to live on a literal live wire. Location is everything they said. Luxury studio.